I like Trump.
Oh, dang.
Let's go buy
got
one.
the flags.
Oh!
Oh my god, what is going on today?
This guy didn't even see it. That guy didn't even
Oh, are they okay? Okay, she's moving.
Why didn't we get a left turn light?
It does that. It's so annoying.
Bullshit. Look at this shit. Oh my god.
Are we gonna stay? You should have there. It's a second crash.
A la verga, bro.
Phone or online at don'tbebroke.com. Real home means if you pay off your loan in 1 week or less, the interest is free. Restore required to repay the principal amount. Registered with the Utah Department of Financial Institutions.
Whoa!
Code Section 7C and Title 7. Customer must meet minimum loan qualifications. Certain limitations may apply. Loans are subject to approval.
Is your furnace going to last through the winter? When was the last time you...
Oh. Oh, God. These guys just had an accident, bud.
Okay, and is it on Barranca or is it on Jamboree?
It's right at the corner. those two cars just hit a head-on collision behind us.
मर्जी करने वाला होगा लंबा रास्ता आ जाता अगे नहीं तो ज्यादा नहीं ट्रैक जेड़ा होंदा ओ पैर लगी तो नहीं बच गया यार